Hey guys, welcome back to SG Riders. Today, we're diving into one of the most insane superbikes ever created, the Kawasaki Ninja H2. This is not just a motorcycle, this is a supercharged monster built for pure speed and performance. So if you love powerful bikes, make sure to watch till the end, and don't forget to subscribe to SG Riders. Engine and performance. Let's talk about what makes this bike a legend, its engine. The Kawasaki Ninja H2 is powered by a 998 cubic centimeters supercharged inline-4 engine. Yes, supercharged, something you rarely see on bikes. Maximum power, 200 plus horsepower. With ram air, up to 210 HP. 0 to 100 km per hour, around 2.5 seconds. Top speed, over 330 km per hour. This bike delivers explosive acceleration and unmatched performance on the road. Design and looks. Now let's talk about design, because this bike looks absolutely stunning. High-gloss mirror-coated body panels. Sharp and aggressive styling. Aerodynamic winglets for stability. Iconic Kawasaki racing green highlights. This bike doesn't just perform like a beast, it looks like one too. Features and technology. The Ninja H2 is loaded with advanced electronics and features. KTRC, traction control system. Launch control mode. Quick shifter up and down. Full digital TFT display. Brembo high-performance brakes. Multiple riding modes. All these features help you control this powerful machine with confidence. Price. Now, let's talk about the price money with wings. This is a premium hyperbike, and it comes with a premium price tag. India price, around 80 Indian rupees lakh plus. Pakistan price, approximate 3 crore PKR. Definitely not for everyone, but for superbike lovers, it's a dream come true. So guys, that was the Kawasaki Ninja H2, a perfect combination of power, technology, and insane speed. If you enjoyed this video, thumbs up, hit the like button. Speechaloon, comment your favorite feature. Bell and subscribe to SG Riders for more awesome bike content. I'll see you in the next video.